Hello and welcome to my channel. As you know, this channel is all about walking and showing you different streets, different events and anything I find interesting and that I want to share. But I need your opinion on something. Please write me comments. For the long time I try to figure it out where this channel is heading, which type of videos are optimal for viewers to enjoy. Most of my videos are 20 minutes long, which is a sweet spot of not being too boring to watch, but at the same time, in this amount of time, I easily put different angles of the location where I film. And for doing this, I have to scan the location with walking around, researching what is the most interesting there to show. And most of the time it takes more than an hour to figure it out how to create the most interesting path, combining cool spots together without cutting, without editing video, which shows different angles of the same location in one cut, which makes it more true and real life. And most of the time I wait days before filming for a good light condition or for some event taking place on that location to make it more interesting for you. So, back to the point of this video. I need your feedback. Do you need it to be seamless and true life, or you don't care about cuts? Do you need me to talk, or you prefer more real life sounds of the place? Do you need me to show myself, or is it unnecessary? I'm gonna read all your suggestions. Thank you in advance.